I love to talk about this home for sale at 6416 East 108th Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is an exquisite South Tulsa home with an indoor pool and located in the Jenks Southeast School District. It is a very popular area. Let's take a look at DB3D, going inside and kind of looking at a 3D model of what this place has to offer. So before we go inside, let's look at a cutaway here, just the front. When you walk in, you'll be in the formal living areas, and looking through the house, here's a top-down view, and I've got the top and the bottom, top floor and the main floor stacked on top of each other. You can see the indoor pool there in the back. And when I talk about the living space that this pool area has, it's not just an small enclosed pool area, but it is a large living space, and you'll see that as we get over closer to it. So let's just step inside right here in the front area. So French Provincial style, you walk in and you've got formal living and formal dining together. Notice a fireplace on both sides. The piano is blocking this one. High ceilings, crown molding, and look up. You've got this Juliet style balcony that is an overlook from the upstairs bedrooms. We can see that here in just a moment. So it's nice and bright and open. Look at the windows here in the front. The door, of course, right behind us. But walking through here into the game room, or pardon me, the great room, where you have the open kitchen, again, a two-story with a balcony. There's a Juliet balcony there, and the walkway, the hallway upstairs, which is an open hallway. So it's, again, spacious feeling everywhere. You get this is about the greatest great room I think I've ever had for sale, just because of how open it is on all sides. And again, here's a fireplace. So that's 3 fireplaces. We're still counting. So hold on. And when we go over here to the kitchen, nice updated kitchen island for great cooking and entertaining, but a part of everything. Now, here on the side, let's walk down this. This isn't the master. This is the other bedroom suite downstairs. So something that's very popular, as you can imagine, is having that second bedroom downstairs. So you have plenty of flexibility if you've got older family members or maybe younger kids and you want to keep them downstairs. Sometimes you want them downstairs, sometimes you want them upstairs, and it depends on health reasons. The ability for them to be on their own, and whether or not you want that. Look at the size of that laundry room. I'm not going to go in there right now. You can look at this on your own just by following the link down below. But let's step over here back to the master suite. Now, again, I said 3 fireplaces. Here's the 4th. There's actually a 5th one out by the pool if you went out there. And walking around here through the master bathroom, nice, open, whirlpool, very practical living, but it's got this nice, clean, formal appeal to it. And his and her sinks, plenty of privacy where you want it, open area, heavy pediments and framing, appointments around the door. I'm jumping through the master closet here to get you into the office. So if you office at home, or whether you use this for an office or not, maybe it's just your own private sitting area, it's right off the master. So it's, again, back to flexibility. You could close the door, never use it, or you can just wake up in the morning, have a little coffee bar right there in the bathroom or here in the office, and you've got your patio right there to the front that takes you back out to the front door, and there's your formal side. So we're back out to the front area. So looking again at this overall floor plan, I'm going to step upstairs here real quick, and let's go to the top of the stairs. And here you have 2 bedrooms, total privacy, so they're not over the other bedrooms, and they don't share a common wall. So you can't get much better than that. You don't have to worry about music playing too loud or one of the kids staying up late. Both of them have their own private bathroom suites. They have a Juliet balcony. You see those there off the front. Very popular, just to open the door and have that outdoor air coming in, or be able to look out and greet somebody when you've got somebody coming over to see you. And yet it adds a lot of architectural appeal as well. Check out the size of those closets. And here's the other game room. Now, right off the game room here, this is what looks down to the great room. Over here to the right is a door to floored attic space. When you're coming to Tulsa, one of the things that's different, you would think we would have all of these houses with basements because of our weather patterns and tornadoes and safety shelters, but many of our houses don't have basements, which means we don't have the extra storage. Our square footage is generally above ground square footage. So our third car garage is the basement. And here, when you have this walkout attic space that you can just put those seasonal items, the decor that you want to keep, but you don't want to keep it in the way, it's good to have that kind of space. So walk right out to it right there. And then I tell you, the last thing before we call this one quits, always remember you can just follow the link down on the bottom and look at this at your own pace and in your own order. Look at this pool area. This is the centerpiece of the house. It's so hard to find anything that has, this goes to the master suite, by the way, that has this type of quality and living space. I mean, truly living space. So you can enjoy the pool, you enjoy the waterfall. You don't have to get in the pool. Just enjoy this space around it while you're listening to the sounds. Have your grandkids over, or your kids have a place to play all year long. This area right here, not actually staged real well for this particular photo, but that furniture there pulls out and becomes this whole area is its own additional living area for year-round use. 4 bedrooms, 4 full, 1/2 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, built-in 2001, Jenks School District, and look for those links below so that you can get more information. I'm Daryl Baskin with the Baskin Real Estate Specialists at eXp Realty. Catch us on the weekends on KRMG, that's News Talk 740 AM or 102.3 FM for the future of real estate from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time, or krmg.com. We're always available to answer your real estate questions. You can schedule an appointment for a phone call or to talk about buying or selling your specific real estate needs at askinforbaskin.com. That link's below, askinforbaskin.com. Thanks for touring.